There are days when everything feels heavier than usual. Simple things feel harder. And even small tasks can feel like too much. You might call this a lack of motivation, but often it's something else. It can be mental fatigue, emotional weight, or too many thoughts pulling in different directions. And this is where many people become hard on themselves. They think they should be doing more. They think they should feel different. But this moment is not something you need to fight. It's something you can understand. Begin by noticing your breath. No need to change it. Just feel it. Air moving in and slowly moving out. Let the next exhale be slightly longer. Soft, unforced. Again, inhale. And a slower exhale. As the breath slows, something begins to settle. Not everything, just enough. Bring your attention to your shoulders and let them drop slightly. Now your jaw. Let it soften. Your hands resting. Your body supported. The body does not need to hold pressure right now. And now, something important to notice. Motivation doesn't disappear randomly. It often fades when the system feels overloaded, when there has been too much thinking, too much pressure, or too little rest. So this is not a failure. It's a signal. Take a slow breath and consider this shift. Instead of asking, why can't I do more? You can gently ask, what do I need right now? Notice how that feels. Less pressure, more space. And this is where something begins to change. Because when pressure softens, energy has room to return. Not all at once, not suddenly, but gradually. And this is the part most people rush past. They try to force motivation back. They push harder. They expect themselves to feel different immediately. But forcing energy often pushes it further away. So instead, you allow. You give yourself space to reset. Take another slow breath. And notice what happens when you stop trying to fix everything at once. There is a slight release, a small shift. You don't need to solve your whole life right now. You don't need to become a completely different person today. You only need one small movement. Just one. Something simple. Something manageable. Something that feels possible. And this is where momentum begins. Not from pressure, but from movement. Small movement creates a little energy. That energy creates a little more movement. And over time, that builds. Notice your breath again. Slow inhale and a steady exhale. And now something deeper begins to settle. You are no longer waiting to feel perfect. You are allowing yourself to move as you are. And that changes everything. Because motivation is not something you wait for. It's something that grows as you begin. Even slowly, even imperfectly. Take another slow breath. And let a few thoughts pass gently through your mind. I don't need to do everything right now. I can take one small step. I am allowed to move slowly. This feeling will pass. I can begin from where I am. Let those settle quietly. You may still feel low energy. That's okay. You may still feel resistance. That's okay too. You are not trying to eliminate the feeling. You are learning how to move gently within it. And this is where real change happens. Not in perfect moments, but in imperfect ones, where you still choose a small step forward. Stay here for a moment, breathing slowly, letting your body feel a little lighter, letting your mind feel a little quieter. You are not stuck, you are just in a slower phase, and slower phases are part of moving forward. Take one more slow breath. Feel the inhale and the long, steady exhale. You don't need to rush this. You don't need to force anything. You just need to begin slowly.